Just like us humans, plants need a well-balanced, nutritious diet to stay healthy. And PowerFeed with Troforte takes plant diet to a whole new level. It's an organically enriched plant food that promotes strong root systems, vigorous growth, and encourages flowering and fruiting. And it's got the Troforte microbial technology that has a whole suite of beneficial microbes that help rebuild your soil and release nutrients to your plants. It's genius. And there's another formula that's been tweaked for flowers, fruit and citrus.